Class, we're gonna do it a little more simple here. We're gonna go with those letters you see here. D, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, N, P. We're gonna see those letters and we're gonna combine them just like we did, like the tree style. Let's go with letter D. D, A, da. D, E, D. D, E, G. D, O, do. D, E, de. D, O, do. D, E, de. D, un, dan. D, on, don. D, ou, do. That's it. Da, de, di, do, de, do, den, dun, don, do. That was the letter D. And now, letter F. F, A, fa. F, E, fe. F, I, fi. F, O, fo. F, E, fe. F, O, fo. F, E, fin. Enfant. F, on, fond. F, ou, fou. Now we go with G. G, A, ga. G, E, ge. G, I, gi. G, O, go. G, E, ge. G, O, go. G, E, gain. G, un, gan. G, on, gon. G, ou, gou. Now, J. J. J, A, ja. J, E, G. We're in number 4 on your screen. J, I, J. J, O, jo. J, E, G. J, O, jo. J, E, Jean. J, un, Jean. J, on, Jean. J, ou, je. Now number 5. With K. K. K, A, ka. K, E, ke. K, I, ki. K, O, ko. K, E, ke. K, O, ko. K, E, ken. K, un, kan. K, on, kon. K, ou, ku. Alright? And you keep pronouncing those. Number 6. L. L, a, la. L, e, li. L, I, li. L, o, lo. L, e, le. L, o, lo. L, e, lin. L, un, lan. L, on, lon. L, ou, lou. Number 7. M. M, a, ma. M, e, me. M, I, mi. M, o, mo. M, e, me. M, o, mo. M, e, me. M, un, man. M, on, mon. M, ou, mou. Good stuff. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. That's N. N, ana, n, e, ne, n, I, ni, n, o, no, n, e, ne, n, o, no, n, e, ne, n, no, n, on, non, n, u, nu. Number 9, ng. Remember what I told you about ng? That's the one consonant where you will not find too much in Haitian Creole. Ng, you find that at the end of the word ling, 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 lung, zing, ping, ting, ting, gung. You don't have it in your thing, gung, but I did give it to you in the last lesson. The last one in this slide is number 10. Apa, e, p, I, p, o, po, e, pe, o, po, e, pen, un, pon, pon, ou, pou. This is it for lesson 6. What I want you to do is to go over these, read them, pronounce them separately, the consonant by itself and the vowel by itself, and then match them together. You know, a, pa, d, o, do, t, on, ton. Try to match them like this and then get used to it. As you get used to the sounds like this, you will see how easy it is for you to speak, to pronounce Creole properly. I love you. Peace. Until lesson 7.